Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create pages in WordPress on your WordPress website, and I'll also be able to make sure that they go in the right menus and the order that you want them to appear and things like that. So this is a WordPress theme that's already been installed, but there's nothing in it. There's no content. I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to go into the admin area. So now I want to create some new pages for my website. So this is your theme down here. I go to Pages, Add New. Okay, the first thing you'll see is the title field here. So I just type in Sample Page 1. Now that's the title of my page. Now that's what's going to appear in the menu system, and it's also what's going to appear at the top of the page in a stronger heading font. Now down here you'll notice all your buttons and everything to be able to format your text once you've added it, align things, put in buttons and numbered line items, be able to indent things like that. I've got some text already copied, some sample text, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in. Okay, now just say for example this is exactly how I want my page to look. That's awesome, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to the publish page. You can see where you can preview it, save it as a draft. Let's go ahead and preview it and see what it looks like. Okay, there's my title, sample page 1. Here's my text that I put in. And you can see nothing else is really going on here yet. So, okay, that's cool. Takes me back to the editing page here. So I go, yeah, that's what I want. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Now I'm going to go back here to the other window I had open. I'm going to refresh it and see if it's in the menu now. You know what? It's not there. And the reason why is because I need to go now create menus and add them to the menu, add the pages to the menu system. In other themes, it's going to be different. So this is going to be theme specific. But hopefully, what I'm going to show you here will show you how you can work within your theme to create your menus that you want to do. Okay, so now to create a new menu, I'm going to go down here to Appearance, Menus. And it shows me that I have no menu set up yet. So if you look back here, the theme that I've got has two menu lines. There's the first primary menu and then the secondary menu. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to create a new menu. I'm going to call this primary. Cool. Okay. Create menu. And now I'll create the second one. Call that secondary. Awesome. Okay, now over here you'll notice it says theme locations. Your theme supports two menus. Select which menu appears in each location. So for the primary one, which is this, I'm going to select primary. For the secondary, I will select secondary. Click Save. Now if I go back here, okay, you can see that my home buttons have disappeared. That's because I've created menus and assigned them to these locations now. But as you can see, there's nothing in these menus. So you can go back and forth on which one you want to work on, secondary or primary. Now I want to add that page that I just created. If I go down here and I see where my pages are, the only page I have right now is the sample page. Or you can click on here and view all. That'll show that it's created a home link automatically for me. I didn't even have to set that up. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, I want to add the home link and I want to add the sample page 1 to my primary menu system. That's going to be here on the top line. So I'll go back. Cool. Okay, yep, go ahead and add those. And I can refresh the page now. It's still not there. Go back to the admin area, and it's not there because I didn't click Save Menu. And I made that whole dramatic thing happen because I want you to remember, when you make changes, make sure you always save them. Okay, primary menu has been updated. Now if I hit refresh, awesome. What? Oh, okay, see where the problem is? Because I selected secondary. Genius that I am. Now I need to hit save again. Okay, so now my primary menu, you guys probably already caught that, huh? Okay, my primary menu has been saved, secondary menu's in place. Now if I go refresh, sweet, there it is, my home page and my sample page 1. Okay, cool. Now that's how you create pages in WordPress. Okay, well maybe I've got more content that I want to put in here, so I'm going to go back here now, and I'm going to say I'm going to add another page. I'm just going to call this one, enter the title sample page. Whoops, page 2. Go down here and I'll put in my sample text there. And I'm going to just go ahead and publish this because I think it's ready to go. And now, again, if I refresh this page, you can see that the sample page 2 hasn't been added to the menu. So I need to go back to the menu system, appearance, menus. And now there's my sample page 2. So click on that and yep, add that to the menu. And save. Now if I go back, click refresh. Cool, okay, there's my home, sample page 1, and there's my sample page 2. One more thing I'll show you here. Maybe I want sample page 2 to also occur for some weird reason in my secondary menu. So I would go pages. I'm on the secondary menu. Go ahead and hit add to menu. Go over here and hit save, right? Okay, now refresh. See, there's sample page 2 now. It's here and here. And maybe I also want it in the primary menu. I'll go back to that one. I like this, but you know what? I don't need to have this in the main thing. I'd rather have it be a drop-down item underneath sample page 1. So I will go ahead and just grab it and drag it about a ½ inch over. Cool, see how that's just kind of tiered like that now? I will hit save menu. Okay, so it's been updated. Now if I go back here, now you notice that it's disappeared from this menu system, but now if I hover over this, over sample page 1, sample page 2 drops down, and it's now an option down, it's like a sub menu item underneath sample page 1. Isn't that cool? It's that easy. You just drag. Maybe I go, oh, no, what? I need to have that back. So I just drag it back. Save it. Refresh. Cool. Now it's back over here again. Okay. Well, I hope this shows you how easy it is to set up pages and add them to your menu system. Some menu systems it adds them automatically, but a lot of them you need to create custom menus and get started that way. So I hope this helps you learn how to create pages pretty easily in WordPress and add them to your menu system and get your website built up. If this isn't clear, go ahead and let me know, and I will try to make it better. Okay, thanks a lot.